Let's write a program to print the alphabet pattern. So we'll be printing, or we'll be expecting an output to look something like this. Okay, so let's get into the program. Hash include stdio.h int main First I will initialize rows, the variable rows, and also I will initialize a variable x which is equal to 65. Now note that 65 is the ASCII value for capital A, or the uppercase letter A. Now I will prompt the user to enter the number of rows. Enter the number of rows. Scanf percentile d ampersand rows. Alright, now my the outer for loop to print the rows. For int I equals 0, I less than, let's go from I is equal to 1 to I is less than equal to rows, I plus plus. My inner for loop to print the columns. For int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I and j plus plus. Printf. Now this is the most important part of this program. Here I will use the format specifier of a character even though x is an integer. Here I will say percentile C and then x. So the ASCII value of 65 is A, so A will get printed. Okay, and then outside the for loop I will say x plus plus, so x will get incremented to 66. 66 is now the ASCII value of B, capital B, the uppercase B. And printf new line character return 0. Let me save and run the code. Okay, enter the number of rows. I will enter 5, and this is the output. We can give some space. Let me save and run it again. Enter the number of rows. I will say 5 again, and there you go. This is the pattern. Now there's one more thing that we can do. If you observe this x plus plus, let's come outside this inner for loop. Now if I simply bring this inside the inner for loop, alright, now let me save and run the program. Enter the number of rows. I will say 5 again, and you have the alphabet in order, not one alphabet per row. You have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So that's an interesting thing in this program.